Silent cyber is one of the hot topics at the moment in the cyber insurance market. I'm Yvette Essen for CyberCube, and I'm joined by Ashwin Kayshap, co-founder of CyberCube and vice president of products and analytics, to talk about the trends within silent cyber. It really is a talking point at the moment, but perhaps you can explain to me what exactly is silent cyber?
Simply put, it refers to the ambiguity in insurance and reinsurance contracts and whether they respond to losses stemming from cyber attacks.
And why are people talking about it now? What's happened?
Silent cyber is a CEO level concern in most insurance and reinsurance companies today. The reason being that the premiums exposed as a result of cyber attacks that can impact established lines of business within PNC are far larger. In fact, 1 to 2 orders of magnitude larger than what the standalone affirmative cyber premium rank at today, which is $4 billion worldwide. Second, the regulators have taken active measures to prompt insurers to take a close look at their contracts across all lines of business and take active measures in order to assess whether or not their contracts are exposed to cyber risks in a meaningful way.
In your opinion, what are the biggest challenges in identifying, quantifying, and modeling silent cyber risk?
The hardest part is determining whether a contract responds to cyber losses or not. Once you've done that, the rest of the process is relatively straightforward. It starts with preparing your data in a unified fashion across all of your different lines where you think there is cyber exposure, and then running it through a set of scenarios that are applicable to a particular line of business. So if you were to take a specific example like aviation, you're going to run through a handful of scenarios that help in determining the loss distribution associated with the aviation specialty line as a part of your modeling efforts. And then it is bringing together the loss distributions from all of your different lines of business to report on what your top line looks like as far as exposure is concerned.
What has CyberCube done to address these challenges?
CyberCube has built out a multi-line risk modeling platform that consists of scenarios that address different lines of business like aviation, marine, offshore energy, technology errors and omissions. And our goal is to achieve a level of completeness across most lines of business that are exposed to cyber risk. Some areas that we are working actively with our partners on include product liability, property, D&O, kidnap and ransom, and we'll keep the market posted on progress that we make along these fronts.
CyberCube has published a report looking at the silent cyber market that can be found on our website. For CyberCube, I'm Yvette Essen.